Hey guys, so this video is going to be definitely a lot shorter than my other videos. Now, I'm one of those people who likes to keep my car extremely clean, and it just bugs me when I have things on the car and even like water spots after it rains and things like that. So I made a video about Turtle Wax's ceramic spray coating, and it left like a white residue on my car. And after washing it again a few times and trying the product again, I put it on a lot lighter, even lighter than it says you should put it on in the instructions, and it actually came out pretty well. So this is the car after not being washed for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. As you can see, as I was walking around the car, there is some stuff on the car, like right there, but it's okay for the most part. But now I'm going to be using Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions, and there's going to be a link in the description for this product. But you can see there's a bunch of stuff on the back of the car. It's not bad, but I want to clean it off. So I'm going to get situated and I'm going to use this detailer to clean it off. They say this detailer is safe to use on top of the ceramic coating, and it adds an extra layer of ceramic coating. So let's see how it does. So with this detailer, they say it's literally as easy as just spraying it on and wiping it off. They say you do want to use a lot though, because it will help stop scratching the paint. It kind of creates a lubrication barrier between your paint and the rag. But it's really just as simple as spraying it on, wiping it off, and then using a dry side of the towel, wiping it off. And I don't know if you saw my car or if you can see now, but there was a bunch of stuff on the spoiler of my car, and it is now gone. It's also safe to use on glass, safe to use on paint, it's safe to use on trim. This is really an all-around cleaning product that's safe to use on top of your ceramic coating, while also helping build a stronger layer on that ceramic coating. So you can see a little bit of dirt is on there. Now keep in mind, the car's not very dirty, but compared to a clean side of the towel, that is quite a difference. So I'm going to go through and do the whole car, and then I'll show you guys the after of what it looks like before versus what it looks like after. Alright guys, so this is after I finished doing the car. Took less than 5 minutes to do the entire car. Spot right here, all gone. Stuff on the back you saw me wipe off. This stuff is absolutely wonderful. Now it's a little harder to use than Turtle Wax's Ice Series. I still swear by their Ice Series, but at the same time they say you can't use the Ice Series on the ceramic coating, so it doesn't really work for me. Car looks absolutely gorgeous. Took 5 minutes, and a whole bottle is 14 bucks, and it'll last you well over a year. Had it now for 3 months, wash the car all the time, still haven't even used a full bottle of it. Absolutely fantastic. So if you guys want to keep your cars clean, I recommend this product.